What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. This is yours truly, KJ. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. Guys, ladies and guys, and everybody who's alive that's listening to me. Woo! What an exciting day it is today in the market, right? It's Tuesday, May 16th. So, listen. No, I'm sorry. Not May 16th. 16th is Friday. Anyway, this is the Tuesday before the 16th. You guys already know. Okay, so check this out. Anyway, I'm too excited. Listen, the investing account sitting at $62,040.13. We're up $650 today in the position. What is going on? Okay, let me also show you this. That's Palantir. I'm gonna show you that in a second. Traditional IRA, we're up $46,291.12. Guys, we're back at the levels that this account was at back in February 18th, which was the high for the market in 2025. Right? So we are back up for $46,288. Right now, the account saying we've made $1,791, almost $1,800 of unrealized profit. But guess what? Today, we're going to realize some of these profits because I'm not going to let this opportunity slip away. I understand that. I told you guys in a couple of videos ago, we are in a pump and dump stock market. I know you guys didn't want to believe it, but it's true. 47 and all these tough terror talks and all this stuff like that right there, he's made it possible for the stock market to go up and down involuntarily, voluntarily, whatever you want to call it. It's involuntarily. But anyway, I say it could be involuntary to us retail investors, but it's voluntary to them, the big hedge funds and things like that, because they want to be able to control the market so they can make better predictions on what to do with their money, so they can buy more, buy low, sell high. That's the whole purpose of the stock market, right? Okay. You guys, today we will be taking some profits because, like I said, I'm not going to let this opportunity go by. But I decided to do a video and show you guys what I've been doing, how I've been doing it, and what I'm planning to do. Right now, the account, if you're looking at it, we're at $108,348.79. So anyway, basically over 108,000. Now, listen, guys, just yesterday, I just spent out of my account X amount of money. It was in the thousands, but my account has already recovered that money that's been lost. That not lost, but I spent out of this investing account because I invested in a program that's going to help me be a better investor here in the near future. So I spent a couple of thousand trying to invest in myself, help myself to grow, learn different things like that. And got me a mentorship, got me mentor and things like that. But that's not the big picture. The big picture is I just spent that money yesterday. Less than 24 hours later, the money is already back because my account is back to the levels it were almost February 19th, like almost as high as it was back then, which it was like 109,000. And that was at the highest of the market in 2025. And I'm at 108. So guys, listen, even after I just spent a good bit of change out of my accounts to pay for a mentorship. So look, guys, I ended up liquidating some positions. Buying power right now, it's $7,336.88. And the reason I liquidated between 7 to 10% of my portfolio is because I'm going to be using that particular position of the money to help with some of my options. I'm getting ready to open up a whole lot more options, wheel strategies, options trades. I'll be having videos about that coming up shortly. Crypto market, I still got my Doge, I still got Ethereum, still got my Avalanche. Stocks and ETFs, I pretty much still have everything, but I sold off some of my position. For example, SPLG is my S&P 500 ETF. Right now it's at 69.19. Good gracious. I sold off half of the position. If you guys remember, I had 244 point something shares of SPLG. Right now I have 122. I got 122.42 shares of SPLG. Market value 8470 and 63 cents. It also brought my average cost up when I sold off, but it's okay. Total return $131.56. Like I said, the money was for a good cause and a good investment, but I did not use all of that money for that. As you saw, my buying power was over 7K. So my buying power is over 7K, and I took only half. So guess what, guys? I didn't put that much more to the money I already had into the mentorship thing that I'm signing up for. But you guys see what I'm trying to say. The market is approaching those all-time highs again. What news caused the market to go up like a rocket ship? Well, last week, we understand that a representative from the U.S. and a representative from China met together in Switzerland. And when these guys met, they was to come up with a plan, a strategy, or something to resolve these tariffs in America and in China. And they had a successful meeting. And what was said was there will be a 90-day pause on all tariffs between the United States and China. And so they can work the details out of the tariffs, how they want to do this going forward. So it'll be a 90-day pause. Now, since there's a 90-day pause on that, and China's our biggest trading partner, the markets went absolutely bananas. Their stock market, our stock market, everybody's making money again. The money is not being held up again. Like I said, one man, 47, made it to where all these tariffs came in the first place, sinking all the markets. The whole world stock market portfolios were down because of one man's decision. But now, because cooler heads are prevailing, everything, if you were invested or if you were buying while it was low, guess what? You've made a slew, and I mean a slew amounts of money already. Now, because that's what I did. And Walmart, even though Walmart's in the reds at $95.76, I got a dividend coming in, $26.64. I got 113.35 shares of Walmart. Market value $10,854. Average cost is $58.71. Look at my total return. Oh my goodness. That make you Harlem shake. That'll make you Harlem shake. Over $4,200. That's a 63.12% return on investment, guys. I'm up $4,200 in Walmart. Walmart has just been a company that's been crushing it here lately. They just had earnings, and as you see, I got a dividend payment coming in. That's just gonna go into the buying power. That's gonna go into the rebuy some more of these stocks. Not the buying power, but going back into the stocks, and that's just gonna help this position grow even faster with the compounding effect. I'm just gonna continue the dollar cost average into Walmart, whether it's high, low, or sideways. No matter what the market is doing, Walmart has proven time and time again that it's a resilient company, and it's one of those companies that's just gonna stay afloat, and it's gonna help my portfolio stay afloat and help us reach our all-time goals of becoming financially free. So that's what we're doing with Walmart, man. Walmart's been doing good, like super good for us, as a matter of fact. Oh, going back to SPLG, I don't know if I showed you guys the sell-off of what I did, but here it is right here. Under history, SPLG sell, I sold, like I said, 122.19 shares of it yesterday. And it was worth $8,379.74. That got added back to my buying power right before I spent a couple thousand on the mentorship that I did. But even though that happened, look at my buying power now. I'm still up $7,336.88. So, guys, it's worth it. Plus, the market has reacted to this good news, and it's put more money back into my pocket. So I'm going to capitalize on it today. As you guys see, FTEC, our Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF, is up 182.08. Guys, FTEC just 2 weeks ago, was just trading at $160 a share, man. This is now over a $22 per share price increase. If you bought 100 shares back then to just now, just 2 weeks ago, your money, your net worth has incredibly grew over $22 per share. 100 shares. That's over $2,200 added to your net worth, just like that. The snap of a finger. The snap of a finger, guys. So there you go, man. Total return right now, $289.76. I got 21.63 shares, FTEC. Market value is $3,942.77. I'm going to continue to let that build, continue to let that grow. But here we go. We got the big silverback gorilla in the portfolio. Look what this joker here has climbed itself back up to. Nvidia. Woo, woo, woo. Nvidia, guys, is back up to $130.91. Finally, people in the market put some respect on this stock's name. I've been said this stock was supposed to get back to this level and higher. Like it did last year. Last year, Nvidia had made it all the way up to like $145 a share by December 2024. But ever since the new year come in, they've been playing on the top of Nvidia. They've been playing on them. But guess what? No. Nvidia has went up almost 6.44% today, $7.92. I got 55 shares in this particular account. Market value $7,232.65. Look at that total return, $710. Average cost $118.07. Guys, I'm up almost 11% in this position. I'm gonna probably let this one ride for now. I want to kind of see what Nvidia does with this 55 shares. Because what I really want to do, go here. Buying power right here in traditional IRA is $19.95.39. This Nvidia position right here, boom, $130. I have 150 shares here. Market value, $19,646. Average cost, $109.98. Even lower average cost. But look at that total return, guys. We're up almost 20% in this position. Absolutely amazing. We would be just diabolical not to take advantage of this position. I told you guys. I said, I'm just going to buy and hold long term. And when Nvidia, whenever this stock make it back to where it was or close to the levels of where it was, look, it's almost at 131. Well, I said, whenever this stock gets back to how it was before, so many Wall Street representatives, so many hedge funds, and them guys over there, they kept on trying to shorten the stock. That's fine, because if you short the stock, that means they sell off, the price come way down. It's easy for guys like me to come in, scoop up 100 shares, scoop up 50 shares, whatever, and then just hold until the next pump. And that's what happened, guys. I held on to it. Nvidia is doing great. I got 150 shares, $19,645. Man, look at this. Total return, $31.47. I have to get that today. Y'all, that's a 20% return. And guess who's going to be cashing out on Nvidia as far as the share price go? This guy. I sure am. As a matter of fact, I should do it right here on this live video. But yeah. Anyway, guys, that's what I'm going to be doing. Probably gonna be taking profits right here, almost $3,200, and I'm just gonna let that sit into the buying power of this traditional IRA until I see a better opportunity come along, and I will re-enter or something, and then get a better price for it. Because let me show you this. Also, Palantir, incredible performance this morning. Palantir Technologies up $129.88. Guys, this thing was just at $130. And earlier today, guys, it was just at $117. Look at this. In the pre-market, it was just at $117, $118. Now it's at $130 a share. I got 26.79 shares. Market value, $3,483.74. Look at that average cost. My average cost in Palantir is amazing, guys. I'm at $75.94. And total, my return total is $1,447.99. And I'm up 71% in the position. Woo! 71% return in the position, guys. Come on. Oh, Palantir has increased by $11.50 today. That's almost a 10% increase. It's back up to 130. Guys, Palantir is one of the ones that I'm telling you, you just can't go wrong with Palantir. Palantir Technologies, man. Really amazing company, really strong fundamentals, strong values, is contracted work with the federal government that's going to help it sustain its longevity. Palantir is like the new golden child of Wall Street. So between having Palantir in my portfolio, having a bunch of Nvidia in my portfolio, and they're both back up over $100, $130 a share. Guys, this is a no-brainer for me. So let me see. Right now, like I said, taking profits today, man, because this is exactly what it needs to be. Palantir is going to give me 1446. I'm just rounded off to that. And guys, I hope you guys keep up with my math here. If not, I'm writing it down, which I'm going to get technological savvy one day and put this on the screen for you. Nvidia is going to give me 3158 today. And as you just saw in the other account, sorry about that, guys. Had a little technical difficulty. But as you can see in this other account, we're going to continue where we left off. Where was it? SPLG right here. SPLG. That got me up. Come on. There we go. Right here. SPLG. Got me up $8,379.74. I'm not worried about the change, but yeah, that's right, guys. So in a day, I'm up. Palantir 1446, Nvidia 3158, SPLG 8379, and when you add all that up, that's well over. About 14, it's about 14, 15 grand. So yeah, you guys, in one day, I'm capturing between about 14, 15 grand. Man, I don't know no better opportunity right now for me now. You guys might have something else going on. I don't know. But I don't know no other opportunity for me right now to capture my wealth and create financial freedom than right now in the stock market. You guys been following along for a while. You know how I roll. And so, man, I hope you guys get some enjoyment from this. Hope you guys is inspired, motivated. I told you guys, let's just hold on for the long haul, buy and hold, long term, big boy blue chip. I've been telling you guys this forever and ever. And if you listen to me, you will multiply your wealth. My account's back to almost to as high as it's ever been. But now this year, we're going to exceed where it's been. We're going to continue capturing more and more wealth. We're not going to let this wealth slip away this time, guys. I said that once Nvidia get back up to the area where it can really be a profit for me, I'm going to take profits. And today, guys, is that day. I'm going to take profits because I deserve them. I've been patient. I've done the right things with my finances. I've been working my tail off, getting up, going to a job I don't even want to go to, but I've been getting up, doing it. And guess what? And I've been, it's been paying dividends for me. I've been taking care of my family, taking care of my house. Why not enjoy yourself a little bit? I'm going to take profits. I'm not saying I'm blowing the money, but what I am saying is I am taking profits, cash liquidated, and I'm going to be able to reinvest or buy or do whatever else it is I would like to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of KJ the Investor. Got any comments, likes, comments, concerns, put it down in the comment box below. Like the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, man. If you're new to investing, this is the place for you. Go ahead and jump on board, man. I love to show you how to get to your wealthy place. I love to show you how to create this passive income. Like I said, guys, a lot of option calls, puts are coming. I got a lot of option videos coming. We're going to be selling cover calls, and we're going to be selling cash secured puts. If you guys like the videos, man, please subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and run it up on this video. And comment down below, man. I'm answering everybody in the comments below. Peace.